Hello again, and welcome to the 20th C# video tutorials. And then in the last video we were able to do this, and I told you I was going to tell you how to change this button here. Image here, and then the name here. So the name is, you just go to the text here, and then you do connection. You can change it to any name you want. Let me just do connection form, then enter. And then if you want to change the icon here, you just scroll down. When you select the form itself, you scroll down to icon here, and then you select, you go to import, and then you look for your image. But in order for you to change it, the image has to be in .ico format. That's for the icon. But if yes, so you have to look for an image that's in an icon form. I think I have one here. So when I scroll down, okay, so I have a couple here. You can just select any one we want, and let's select this one. Okay, so let's select a new one. I don't think let's just use one. Wow, really? Let's try this one and see. Okay, so this one is working, and when it comes here, you just go to okay, and then it will change it for you here. So what this icon does is that's what shows up here like this. Okay, that's what shows up here like this. Like if you open an application, the icon that shows here, that's it. So let me just run this one and go to the connection form so that you guys see how it works. So since we've not changed that one of this form, it's just showing by default whatever is there. When we open this one, we have two forms, so it's showing two here, right? And then you see the icon here has changed, right? Okay, so let's close this one here and see, and then we are done. Okay, so let's change the icon for this one also. If you have any icon, you can just use that, and then okay, so let's use the same one we use. Okay, when we run the application, you see it here. Sorry, I'm a little tired, but then okay, so you see the icon here has changed, and then it's showing the icon we added, and then it's also showing here nicely. So yeah, so what we are going to do next in in our next video is we are going to create a new database that's for users who use the software, and then we are going to validate the details the person used in this form, so that when the person's details are correct, when you log in, it logs in for you. When they are wrong, it tells you incorrect and stuff. And then we are going to add another one where you just add a user, and then you can log in. So see you guys in the next video. Okay, thank you.